Okay everybody, this is the new Nexdome I just put up, and looks pretty nice, but I want to show you some of the issues I've had of poor engineering. So we'll take you over here. As you can see, the shutter, I actually cheated a little bit. It's not completely 100% closed, but it's close. I could cheat it that much probably. It really should be all the way down, be my thought. So anyways, with that shutter down, we come over here and look at this top and bottom shutter. As you can see, the well, you can't see it from here, but the shutter up the top is closed where it's supposed to be. And if you look, if we could show you over there, the two wheels are touching over there. And this is the block that they sent for the stop here. And I don't understand their engineering here. It's supposed to slip under this lip right here by this cut. And it will slip under there if you mess with it a little bit. So that puts it about right there. Well, as you can see, the stop's already past that. So I don't know what sense that's supposed to make. This block will not work as a stop for that shutter. So obviously you got to re-engineer. I think I'm going to put a bracket on here and extend it out that way to stop it, and maybe mount this plastic on her, I don't know. But obviously that is, obviously I don't understand. I guess we're beta testers for Nexdome because obviously that does not work. So we'll see what we can do with that. That's our project for today so far. Okay, so here's the fix for the stop that was not properly manufactured. As you can see, that worked out fine. It works now. So since I couldn't use the block that was on there, or that was supplied, that was supposed to work, I took it and looky, I made me some stops for the rails, which are too short and do not have stops, so the shutters fall off. Another poor engineering deal. So that takes care of that problem. So now we'll go inside. Here's the next engineering conundrum. Here's my shutter, and here's this is an interesting thing. Let me open the shutter, and here's where we run into problems right there. So it should slide over that, but no, it slides underneath it. And I know the reason. I just don't want to fix it the way I probably should fix it. The reason is, if you look, I don't know if you can see them. There's one, there's two, there's three, there's four, 5, 6 screw holes in this rail area, and only 2, and I'm not even showing you 2, they got bolts in them. So only 2 of the 6, or actually 8 that were in there, line up with anything. So you got to drill your own holes. And I think the rails are just a little too low, and that's probably what's causing that. So we're going to do something different. I just don't know what it is.